Hey, this is Shay, and in this video I want to show you something really cool. It's a campaign that I've had running for roughly the past month. Okay, and it's going really well, and I recently just showed this exact campaign to my students. And I thought, hey, why not show someone just like yourself on the outside currently, just so, you can see what usually, again, my students only get to see. And I mean, I've gone into the deeper workings of this campaign, how I'm getting traffic and really making this money online, but I thought I could at least show you the results, the reports of these campaigns that I've had running. And this one specifically, I just want to show you the last 30 days. So I'm just going to jump straight in here to the network that I've been using, and I use many other networks, but for this specific campaign, I just want to show you how well this thing is doing. It's really awesome. And I mean, it's really helped motivate my students as well, especially beginners, someone who has never made money online before, or maybe they've made a little bit of money, but they're trying to get to that next level. A high enough level so you're able to quit your job, and so you're making enough money online. So again, you can walk away from whatever you are currently doing and essentially have more time to do what you want. So let's just continue here. I've got this campaign. This is just on, actually I use the custom dates here, and it defaults to just the last 7 days, as you can see there. So I'll just go back roughly 30 days. So that should be around the 19th or the 20th. I'll just go 20th for that. That should bring up, 30 days. Okay, so just back 30 days, so September, and up to today, October the 19th. So that's what we're up to. And I just want to show you these stats so far. I'll just scroll down to the bottom here. Alright, so 20th, the 9th, right there. So check out some of these numbers, and in my other videos I'll also go back even further because I've had this campaign running for quite a while, and it is definitely one of my more reliable running campaigns. But that doesn't mean that anyone can start a new campaign even right now today. If you have someone showing you exactly what to do, you can do it. You can make money online right now starting today, and I really want to show you how easy it can be. So I'll just won't bore you with the numbers. Hopefully it doesn't bore you anyway. It's really awesome to see these kinds of numbers, especially when you've had a stable campaign going for a while. And again, this is just one campaign. I have multiple campaigns like this going all the time. So just check out some of the numbers here. These are the daily numbers, as you can see each day here. Okay, so just check it out. 150, almost 300. Some good days, consistent. And it just depends the time of the year, the month, or whatever. It really can at times fluctuate the day-to-day earnings, but again, that's why it's important also to have multiple campaigns going, and that's part of everything that we teach. But you have to say, this is pretty awesome. This is an awesome campaign just standing alone by itself. And I'm sure a lot of people who have never made any money online, of course, would be extremely happy with this alone. So yeah, just cruise through the numbers. I'll just scroll up. Here's some $400 days here, 600, a few in there, 658. We got another 400, 500, 500, 700. There's a $708 in a day. And again, I want to show you how to do this because you can as well. If you just have someone like myself and my team showing you and supporting you, you can make it happen. And I mean, I could go into more of the workings of this campaign, how it works exactly if you've never really seen something like this before. But that's not what this video is about. I just want to show you the stats of a consistent, stable campaign that I've got running. I want to show you exactly how I am doing it. But, I'm certainly not going to be showing everyone exactly what I'm doing because I'm about quality, not quantity. I'm not interested in getting thousands and thousands of people to see exactly the inner workings of how I run these kinds of campaigns. I'm only interested in working with serious people who really want to make money online just like this. So if you're serious, take action right now. All you have to do is click the link at the top of the description. Look for the description of this video right now. You'll see a link right there. It will most likely be a bit.ly link. It's just a quick link just to, quickly get over to my site so you can get access. And I'll actually go to my site now as well. I'm just going to jump over there. Okay, so I'm on my site right here. So as you can see, again, just click the link in the description. You'll jump straight over to this site, and then all you have to do is just enter in your best email address right here. So look for the input field, enter your email address in right there, and then click the Get Instant Access button. And I will give you instant access to everything I'm doing. I'm going to send an email out to your inbox. So check your email address as soon as you click the button. I'm going to send you out a welcome email, and it's going to have a heap of awesome stuff in there that you can get started with right now. So go ahead, get that done right now. I look forward to showing you more inside everything that I do to make this kind of money and more online. Thanks for watching my video right here. Again, take action, do it right now, and I'll work with you in just a second.